everyone. I'm Koala Teacher from One English Academy, here to help with your homework. It's going to be fun. You'll see. If we go too fast, don't worry. Just hit pause. Take your time and catch up. It's all because if you hold on tight, we'll learn and grow. With every step, the more you'll know. Are you ready? Let's go! Today, we'll be reviewing Lesson 18, Direct and Indirect Objects. Remember, direct objects are the things that help us finish our idea. 우리 문장을 마무리해주는 단어들. They usually come after the verb. For example, if our sentence was I wrote, 썼다. 무엇을 썼어? A letter would be our direct object. 또는 he built. 뭐를 만들었어? He built a sandcastle. A sandcastle is our direct object. We also learned about indirect objects. Indirect objects are usually the people that we are talking about. For example, if our sentence says, I wrote a letter, 누구한테? I wrote him a letter. Him is our indirect object. We can also change him to Tim or Tom or John. Indirect objects come after the verb but before the direct object. 여기 보면 우리 indirect object가 동사 뒤에 나오고 direct object 전에 나와. These are the verbs that take indirect objects. Bring, build, buy, find, get, give, make, read, send, show, tell, and write. We can also use to, 누구에게, 또는 for, 누구 위해서. For example, I wrote a letter. 누구한테? To him. I wrote him a letter. 또는 she made a kite. 누구 위해서? For Tim. When we see the verbs give, read, send, show, tell, and write, we need to use to. For example, I give my homework to the teacher. for가 아니잖아요. When we see the verb bring, build, buy, find, get, make, we need to use for. I bring cookies for the class, not to the class. If you're ready to get started with your homework, let's go! On page 73, the directions say to circle the indirect object, 사람, and underline the direct object. In number 1, we see my mom made us a chocolate cake yesterday. Remember, the indirect object 또는 사람에 대한 이야기는 동사 뒤에 나오고 direct object는 indirect object 뒤에 나와. Number 2, Jack wrote Mary a letter last week. Our verb is wrote. 그러면 누구한테? Mary circle해서 indirect object이라서 wrote what? A letter. Good. Number 3, Mr. Jackson bought his son a bike. Our verb is bought. 샀다. 누구? His son. 무엇을 샀어? A bike. Very nice. Number 4, my grandpa will send me a postcard from England. Our verb is send. 누구? Me. Send me what? A postcard. Number 5, Amy gave me her necklace. Which word is our verb? Good. Gave. 누구한테? Me. What? 무엇을 줬어? Her necklace. In number 6, it says, John told Mike a story about a great king. What did John do? What's the verb? Told. 누구한테? Mike. 무엇을? A story. You're doing a great job. In number 7, it says, I showed my class my new invention. Which word is our verb? Good. Showed. 보여줬다. 누구한테? 나의 반. My class is our indirect object. Showed them what? my new invention. Number 8. He built the children a tree house. Oh, our verb is built. 누구? The children. 무엇? A tree house. 좋겠다, 그치? Number 9. Would you bring me the book, please? Which one is our verb? Bring. 가져오다. 누구? Our indirect object is me. Bring me what? Our direct object is the book. Number 10. My dad read me bedtime stories when I was little. Our verb is read. 읽어줬다. 누구? Me. 무엇? Bedtime stories. Great job. In part B, we need to read and match and discuss your choices. Number 1, our teacher always gives us my new computer, some coffee. Huh? Coffee? A great book or a lot of homework. 복습하기 위해서 a lot of homework. Number 2, I will show you 나의 새로운 컴퓨터. My new computer. Number 3, Jake will get his mom. 엄마들은 커피를 마시잖아. Some coffee. At the library, my dad found me 좋은 책. A great book. Number 5, I'm thirsty. Can you bring me? 목이 마르면 무엇을 마실까? A thank you card? Some water? 그리고 질문이라서 we need a question mark. Good job. Number 6, we will send our grandpa a thank you card. Number 7, I showed my dad my report card. 다 A만 있겠지? Number 8, can I buy you some ice cream? 이것도 질문이라서 question mark. Fantastic. Please check your answers and we'll go to the next page. On page 74, the directions say to write to or for. Remember, to는 누구한테, for 누구 위해서. Jim has a new puppy. He showed it me yesterday. 나한테. To me yesterday. Number 2, I made a nice card Mary on her birthday. Mary 위해서. For, good job. Number 3, we'd like to send this package our grandma. 우리의 할머니에게. To our grandma. Number 4, Miss Lewis bought some ice cream all of us. 우리 위해서. For all of us. Number 5, Amy tells great stories. Us every day. 우리한테. To us every day. Number 6, someday I will build a nice house, my family. 가족 위해서. For my family. Number 7, my dad found a nice hotel, us before our vacation. 우리 위해서. For us. Number 8, can you read the story, me? 나한테. To me. Number 9, do you want me to get the newspaper, you dad? 아빠 위해서. For you, dad. Very nice. In part D, we need to rewrite the sentences without to or for. Number 1, Jack gave a gift to Mary. to를 없애지면 Mary가 동사 뒤에 나와서 our direct object is a gift. Jack gave Mary a gift. Very good. Number 2, she showed her house to me. 그럼 to를 없애지고 our indirect object comes after the verb. Our sentence will say, she showed me her house. Number 3, Tom read the note to Amy. to를 없애지고 Amy를 동사 뒤에. 그러면 Tom read Amy the note. Number 4, we sent a card to you. to를 없애지고 you를 어디다가 놔야지? Good. 보냈다. Sent 뒤에. 그러면 we sent you a card. Number 5. Jenny made a sandwich for herself. 일단은 what's our verb? Made. Good. for를 없애지고 herself를 made 뒤에 붙여서 Jenny made herself a sandwich. Number 6. Mom will get some snacks for us. Our verb is get. 그러면 for를 없애지고 us는 get 뒤에서 붙여서 Mom will get us some snacks. Number 7. I will buy ice cream for everyone. for를 빠이빠이하고 everyone buy 사다 뒤에 붙여서 I will buy everyone ice cream. Number 8. He wrote many letters to me. to를 없애지고 me wrote 뒤에서 붙여서 He wrote me many letters. Great job! Please check your answers and we'll go to our last page. On page 75, we need to review lesson 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. We need to circle the correct words. Number 1. Ken brought cookies to class. Everyone. 모든 친구들 위해서. For everyone. Number 2. Amy wrote a letter her friend in Japan. For her friend in Japan or to her friend in Japan? 친구한테. To her friend. Number 3. We hope to the library today. We hope to go to the library today. Number 4. Do you mind to help or helping me carry this box? Do you mind helping me carry this box? Number 5. My dad will make a kite me tomorrow. 날 위해서. For me. Number 6. We need our homework now. 지금 해야 되니까 we need to do our homework now. In part B, we need to choose and write. In our word box, we have during, 뭐뭐 중에, over, woo, slowly, me, and up. I'm tired. Let's walk 천천히, slowly. Number 2, the cat jumped over the fence. Number 3, they work the week and rest on the weekend. 평일 중에 during the week. Number 4, she is running the stairs to the third floor. 3층이면 올라가야 되잖아. Up the stairs. Number 5, can you give the book tomorrow? 나한테? Can you give me the book tomorrow? And in part C, we need to underline and correct the mistake. Write no mistake if there isn't any. Number 1, my house is next from Amy's house. Amy 집 옆에 next from가 아니라 next to가 맞잖아. But we can also say 건너편. 근데 우리가 from을 그대로 사용하고 싶으면 we can use across from. Across from 또는 next to 사용하면 돼요. Number 2, my brother is learning to drive now. My brother is 현재형 learning 하고 있다 to drive now. 지금 맞네. No mistake. Number 3, Tim is the taller player in the basketball team. 키가 가장 크면 taller 비교형을 사용하면 안 되는데. Is the tallest player. Number 4, stop watch TV. Come and eat dinner. 그만 보고. 근데 지금 하고 있잖아. Stop watching TV. Number 5, Jake always buys flowers to me. To? 나한테? 날 위해서인데? For me. Great job. Please check your answers, and we're all done. You did an awesome job today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. You know what to do. I hope you'll miss me and be ready to play. Koala teacher will see you in the next video, okay?